Hello homeopaths, watch this video till the end to know something very important related to your personal growth. I'm going to talk about my upcoming 3 months course of Materia Medica, and this course would be the best course you ever attended in your life. Why I am so confident about this? Because I know how much values I added in those videos. I'm going to provide the best content of the Materia Medicas from the top 10 best Materia Medicas. Not just the theoretical part, I'm going to explain in-depth mind symptoms and also the clinical indications which will help you in your practice. Every medicine would be discussed in the two parts. In the first part, I discuss the mental picture, and along with in-depth knowledge, how to understand the medicine, how to identify the that particular medicine in a patient, how to understand that particular medicine as our best friend. And I also discuss my case examples, how I solve particular cases with that particular medicine. And in the second part, I will explain the medicine in a story form, especially on the basis of the Allen's keynotes. You all know how much important Allen's keynote, especially when it comes to the acute diseases. We all know that each and every word of the Allen's keynote so very important if you want to practice acutes. If you want to see more acutes in your practice, you should know Allen's keynotes in and out. But the difficult part is we don't remember all the clinical indications which are given in the Allen's keynotes. That is the reason I am making a beautiful stories to remember the all keynotes in a single attempt. So many people ask me, is this listening Allen's keynotes or just knowing the keynotes is enough to understand the medicine? No, it is not enough. That is the reason I am making each and every video two parts. In first part, I discuss each and every medicine in depth from different Materia Medicas, best Materia Medicas, mind symptoms, and how to identify that particular medicine, medicine if someone comes to your clinic. I will explain in depth. Also explain the keynote so that it would be helpful in both acute prescription also and the chronic prescription. So this would be the best session you ever attended. I guarantee it, my friends. If you attend my session, if you join in my course, 3 months course, at the end of the 3 months, if you come forward and tell me that this is not useful for you, this is just a waste of money and the waste of time, then I will return single penny you spent on this course. I guarantee it. I will give your money back. I think no one will give you this much of opportunity to everyone to return the whole money, only because they don't have that much of a confidence about the content. I have the confidence about the content. I know how much values I added in those videos. So I guarantee it, this would be the best course and this would be the best decision you ever taken in your life. You will thank me later, I know that. So, but the thing is, if you join this right now, you are going to get much more opportunities. What are the credibilities you are going to get? You will be added in the winning team in my personal WhatsApp group, where I will guide you personally. And this course is not just a weekend course, my friends. This is for the passionate people who really want to grow in the materia, in their practice in homeopathy. Daily I will send a video which you can watch in your convenient time. I know time is money. Time is more precious than money. You can't give your time. You're all busy in your works, in your professional work, your students and your housewife. So many things are there. That is the reason, just give 30 minutes of your time in your convenient time and watch my video daily. Daily I will send the videos regarding one particular medicine. And in the WhatsApp group, I will ask the questions. Every week, every Sunday, there would be a nice discussion about the remedies which we discussed in that particular week. And I'll give you one case which you need to solve on Sunday. Remaining days, just give me a 30 minutes, my friends. I will give you the life-changing values to you, my friends. I guarantee it. I assure you, my friends, you are going to get the best values in this course. So don't think much. Just enroll your name right now. And at the end of the 3 months, I will conduct an exam. I will give you my cases to solve so that you will understand how much you learned in these medicines. And in these 3 months, you are going to learn 50 materia medica, 50 remedies, materia medica part in depth, and also the stories from the Allen's keynotes. So at the end of the 3 months, you will have so much of a knowledge about the 50 remedies which I described in the top. Just read it. And along with this 50 remedies, I also talk about the whole Kali group of a medicine. Kali bichrome, Kali brome, Kali moor, Kali phos, Kali iode, so many Kalis. I will talk about every Kali remedies in depth. And I also talk about the clinical therapeutic indications of the fever cases with potencies in depth. All clinical indications of the acute cases of the fever, and this would be the bread and butter for your career. And I also discuss clinical indications and the keynotes and the potencies regarding the cough cases. I am good enough in solving the acute cases, especially the respiratory diseases. I solved so many respiratory diseases cases, asthma cases, so I have a good knowledge on the clinical application, especially when it related to the cold, coughs, and the fever cases, my friends. So I will give you everything, every possible information which you will never get with anyone, and I will guide you. I will push you to study every day for a 30 minutes. You know one thing, my friends, if you do anything continuously for 21 days, it would be your habit. And in these 3 months, every day you are going to study valuable quality materia medica for 30 minutes. And in this 30 minutes, there are no any drags, and this real content from the different materia medicas, from personal experiences, so much of clinical indication cases, whatnot, everything in this 30 minutes. Give 30 minutes to yourself for your personal growth, my friends. The cost of the course would be 2,000 rupees. It is 10 times less than the values which I am providing. The cost would be increased after the first session. So the first session will start on the 20th of this month. Only 5 days remaining. So enroll your name right now. Later also you will enroll in this course, because your friends will join in this and they will tell you that this is the best course they attended till now. Before that, join right now with this less price. This would be amazing course, my friends. Believe me, you can see the confidence in my eyes, because I know how much values I added in this course. So many values you are going to get. Real clinical indications and the WhatsApp group, everyday support, and the continuity. If you continuously study 30 minutes every day, at the end of the 3 months, it would be your habit to study materia medica every day. Studying alone is very difficult, but you are in a group. If someone is supporting you and some other people are your support, then it would be very easy for you to grow high. My main aim is to take homeopathy to the next level. I will do it, my friends. I promise you. I will do it because I am committed. What you need to do is give your 30 minutes of time to me. I will provide you the valuable information. I promise, my friends. Take action right now. Thank you.